Going today, I'm going to answer the question of how you can buy or sell Bitcoin with Zelle. As you can see, we're on the Zelle official website, and Zelle is a way of sending money to your friends and family or sending money inside your bank account. The only thing you can do with Zelle, as you can see, if we see the Zelle option over here, these are all the banks that support Zelle. So for you to buy or sell Bitcoin on Zelle, that is, first of all, impossible. What you can do instead is, let's say your bank is Farmer State's Bank. So from Zelle account, you send money to Farmer State Bank, and when the money is deposited inside your bank account, what you do from there is use the bank account's debit card or credit card to transfer money inside another third party like Binance or Bybit, things like that, for you to buy or sell Bitcoin. You cannot directly do it from Zelle. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.